Hello everyone, just wanted to show how to build a burner for your furnace. I've gotten several inquiries on how mine worked, and to be honest with you, when I was searching the net I couldn't find an easy to build burner without buying specialized parts such as the propane regulator as well. So let me just show you this. The propane regulator is just a high pressure regulator. It's maxed out at 10 psi, and what I have here I bought from Lowe's. As a matter of fact, everything you see here I bought from Lowe's, including the burner itself. The burner you can find in the I guess a seasonal area, and it's not your ordinary burner. It's mainly for the ones that you would connect to, like one of those peanut boiler or peanut cookers, or a turkey cooker would be another one. So anyways, let me show you what I got here. This is a 3/4 inch black iron pipe. I believe that's probably about maybe 8 inches long. And then I have my reducer fitting here, and that reduces it from 3/4 to 3/8. A 3/8 nipple, and that's about 2 inches. And then I got a 3/8 T, and then these are reducers. These are 3/8 to 1/4. I got 2 of those, and this is for my air supply line, because I hook this up to my compressor so that I can more adequately adjust the flow of air that's going into it. So this is a 1/4 inch, and then of course a 1/4 inch adapter so I can hook it up to my air supply line. And then for the for the propane side, again I got a 3/8 of an inch reducer. So this bushing, so it goes from 3/8 to 1/4. Another valve, although to be honest with you, you could probably take the valve out, because you got a shut-off valve here in the propane line, and then you also have one on the tank, so this might be a little overkill. It's up to you. And then this is a probably about 5-inch piece of brass pipe, 1/4 inch, and then this is just a male to female, or sorry, male to male connector, and this is my another bushing, and this goes from 3/8 to 1/4, or sorry, 3/8 to 1/8 of an inch, because the line itself on the propane regulator, that's actually only about 1/8 of an inch right there. So just keep that in mind, but I would double check this when you're test fitting your stuff out. Don't be afraid to go to Lowe's and actually start putting all this together. And again, I may have gone a little overboard here taping everything. This part of the pipe gets pretty hot up here, but by the time it gets down to here, it's not really that bad. So, and I just feel more comfortable having the tape on it, because I don't want to see any leaks anywhere through the system. So that's how you put one together. And as far as seeing it in action, you can actually look at one of my previous posts for the gingery lathe stands, and you can actually see it in use. And it works pretty well, to be honest with you. I've only had this thing up about halfway, because my my compressor will only put out probably about 20 psi once I've depleted all the pressure in the system. So, you know, fully running it'll only put out 20 psi, and then with this I would probably say I maybe only have it at 5 to 6 psi coming out. So yeah, it works pretty well. If I had more of an air supply, I could probably kick it up and go even hotter and faster than that, because as it is, it probably takes a good 30 to 45 minutes for my system to get up to actually heat and start melting. So anyways, I'll put some pictures up on what the finished product looks like. If you have any questions, just send me an email. Thanks. Bye.